Hi, so today's lesson is about sex-linked traits. So remember, males we have an X and a Y chromosome, and females have an X and an X chromosome. And in those chromosomes, in particular the X chromosome, not in the Y, X only, there are some traits that are linked to that X chromosome. And so today you're going to look at certain traits, usually bad ones like hemophilia. And most people who are hemophiliac are actual fact males because we only have the one X chromosome. So remember, we only need one recessive X, and we've got it. While females need both of their X chromosomes to be recessive. So hopefully the video and the exercises, including your booklet, will help you understand how to work your way through sex-linked inheritance. In actual fact, the video is a good revision of how to set up your punnets as well. And please note there is a special notation for the sex-linked chromosome. Don't forget we are testing. So we're going to be testing on the 23rd of June. That's the last week of term during the double period, um, so that we can finish off the topic and we'll start chemistry nice and fresh in term three. And we've been told no homework so for the holidays, which is great news. Have a good session today. We're slowly working our way towards the end. Should be up to revision when we get back to school. Cheers.